Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a discount code in Hostinger website builder. This is an example of a 50% off. As you see, the total was 108 and the total due is only $54, which means 50% off. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. And this is the website that I want to create a discount code for. It already has my online store. If you don't have an online store yet, just click on this cart icon cart icon and create your online store. After that, switch from website builder to manage store. Now scroll down or go to discounts. As you see, I don't have a discount code yet, and click on this add discount button. Here you can select between a percentage discount type and or a fixed amount. For example, with a percentage, you can offer 10%, 50%. With fixed amount, you can select $10 off for your order, for example. I will go with percentage. My discount code will be, for example, Facebook 50. This code may be only for people coming from Facebook ads. This way I know, or I can pinpoint the orders coming from Facebook. And for the discount name, for example, I will go with Facebook ads campaign. And for the discount percentage, I will go with 50. And here you can you can select apply to all products or just specific categories. Click on add category and you can select the available categories on your store. In my case, or for this video, I will go with all products. And for the discount conditions, you can limit the total number of uses for this discount. Let's say for the first 50 users, or for the first 50 customers, they can use this discount 50% off discount code. And you can also set a minimum purchase amount for entire cart. For example, if I fill in here $50, the logic behind this discount will be 50% off for the first 100 orders or customers or users, with a minimum cart value of $50. I will not set a minimum purchase amount. And for the achieve date, you can start, or you can select a start and an end time. For example, today is 26. Let's say start now, and you can also set an end date. For example, for the first week or the next 7 days. You can also set the time for 12 a.m. Click on save. Discount code was added successfully. Now let's test this discount code. Facebook 50. My website is benstutorial.com. Go to store. Click on this, for example, this is appointment product. I will go with a simple physical product. Add to bag. The subtotal is 108. Click on checkout. And here I can fill in my discount code. Facebook 50. Click on apply. As you see, the discount code was applied successfully. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. As you see, the discount code was applied successfully, and instead of $108, I will only pay $54 for this order, which means 50% off. Now let's see how to promote this 50% discount code on our website. First, I will return to to see the discount. I will go back to discounts, click on my discount code, and I will go to ChatGPT. I will ask it to give me an announcement bar copy to promote my discount code 50% off for all products, for all products, and for the first 100 uses, no card value minimum. This is the first 50% off everything, only for the first order, no minimum spend, use code. This is very good. Now use code to get first 100 customers. Use code at checkout. This one, it uses scarcity first. It starts with scarcity. I will go with this one. Now switch from store manager to edit website. Now just hover over the header section of your website. You will see this button. Click on add sticky bar. Now double click this text, delete it, or just paste your text here. First 100 only, 50% off site-wide. I will make this bold. No minimum, use code, or no minimum is not clear, so I will go with the first one. %50 off everything, only for the first one, no minimum spend, use code. Here I will Facebook 50. Now to make this announcement bar easy to see, I will select I will select this sticky bar from this corner, not from this text element, from this the corner. Click on edit section, and for the background I will select color, and I will pick this yellow, this yellow color. Close this window, update your website. Let's view my website live. 50% off everything, only for the first 100 orders, no minimum spend, use code Facebook 50. And this is how to create a discount code and also promote it on your website in Hostinger Website Builder. And if you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.